One of the frequently asked questions is, how much will I get paid with the funded trader? The answer is pretty simple. You will get 80% of your profits generated on your funded account. However, the profit split may vary if you have purchased an account with our incredible promo codes. After successfully completing any of our challenges, you will get your funded account. And depending on the challenge type, the first payout can be requested as fast as 7 days from the date you placed your first trade. If you qualify for the scaling plan, the profit split will increase to an amazing 90%. The funded trader allows the scaling plan to take the sum of the trader's account balances all the way up to $1.5 million. The scaling plan provides a fantastic opportunity for traders to increase their profits. If you have any questions or need further information, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy trading!